Alright, we're going off-road.
Damn, dude, there's still
car,
65
car
left.
behind us, shoot at him, shoot at him. Car behind us. Shots at him. I want to see a kill like that, dude.
This is epic.
Go, you dude. Oh.
Stay straight for 1 second.
I'm trying.
Stay straight, stay straight.
I'm trying, dude. He's shooting at me, too.
I hit him 3 times. Hold on.
Shoot the car. Shoot the car.
Follow them, follow them. I got one with a headshot. Keep going, stay on the car. This shit's gonna blow up. I want that vehicle kill, dude. We're gonna make this dude regret that he chased us. Go, go, go.
Don't crash, please don't crash.
Oh, not good.
Don't let that fucker get away, man.
Stay straight.
Oh, dude, we're off road. I'm trying, man.
Bro, you just hung on that ass.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, played that better than he did.
Shift, man, you shift.
It's been held down this whole time.
But I know, but I have no fucking, dude. I have no aim because we're bouncing up and down.
Oh, got him, got him, got him. Nice!
Get the fuck out of here, you piece of shit. Get the hell out of here, bro. Come
Oh my
on.
god.
Oh
Come
man.
on. Come
Bro,
on.
that's a crazy way to die.
Dude, that
Yo.
was... Yo, I hope you recorded.
I recorded that. Hey, where's his
Good.
loot box, man?
Dude, who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows?
That was
Man, I
epic.
wish I was there, man. I'm kind of pissed that I died.
Oh, it's under this. Flash hider for an AK.
Okay.
Helmet level 2, take that.
I have it.
Yeah, take everything.
And that guy got washed.
Yeah, he did. What are you shooting at?
The car. Oh shit, dude, it's on fire! I tried hitting the tire. Go,
Get out, get out, get out! Drive away, dude! Get away! You're gonna die! You're gonna die!
I want to see it blow, though. I've never seen a car blow up in this game.
I don't know if it's gonna blow up right now.
It will. It will.